Here's Ivan. Can you say hello?
Hello.
And here's Kira. Kira has a belly button. Kira, can you show us your belly button? Where's your belly button? There it is. Kira, can you show us too? Kira. Ivan, can you show us your belly button? There it is. And there's Kira's. That's right. Good job. Yeah. There it is. Hey, Kira. Hey. I guess that's enough. That's enough. Really pulley, Kira. And I hear Ivan over getting stuff off my dresser, which he's not supposed to do, so I'm going to shut this down. Kira, can you say bye? Bye. Good job.